In a blank workbook, you will see a huge number of menu items. These are the different options and buttons that are available for creating formulas, formatting the sheets, or for doing page layout, inserting formulas, rows, columns, etc. Don't worry, we will be going through these step by step. This whole top area is called the ribbon. In the ribbon, there are several menu tabs. So right now I am on the insert tab, and if I want to insert a table or a picture, I can go to insert. Let's stay on the home tab and let us examine what are the key things available here. So these are called groups. All the things related to font are available under the font group. All the things related to alignment are in the alignment group. There are several groups in each of the menu items. You will see the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the columns that are available, and the 1, 2, 3, 4 are the row numbers. If you find that the font is small or the size is small, you can come down to the bottom right and you see this slider. You can move the slider and you will see everything will begin to zoom only for you. So now we have zoomed up. There is a shortcut for this also. If you press the control key on your keyboard, and if you have an external mouse, if you use the mouse wheel to go up or go down, you can see it will zoom up or zoom out. So this is a quick way to make things look convenient for you on your eyes.